I feel infected with Sri Hari Bhakti's mood, so I feel infected with your mood. I just want to speak on and on and on, so please give me some strength that I can stick to the point, make some sense. She's very sweet, and I'm feeling the same way. She mentioned about being a granddaughter, so Srila Prabhupada, as the grandfather, said that you were very merciful to the grandchildren. So I'm feeling blessed and grateful to be here. Seeing all of Prabhupada's disciples and learning about Prabhupada through them is the main way that I've been able to appreciate Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, you've said, and I'll try and repeat a few of your statements, the spiritual master lives forever in his divine instructions, and his followers live with him. You were in quarantine because you didn't have your yellow fever inoculation card in either Africa. And Bhavananda Prabhu was your assistant. He stayed with you. So after enduring the rigours of isolation and separation for some time, Prabhupada, you came and told Bhavananda, "Get me out of here. Get me out of here." And nothing he could do. So then you next expressed, Srila Prabhupada, that I didn't want to come here. I didn't want to come here to this material world. But Krishna told me, you just go down there and write your books. I'll protect you, I'll look after you, because Prabhupada always was saying that he's not inclined towards performing austerities. Even to fast on a Ekadasi was an austerity. So another expression which I heard from, I think it was also Bhavananda Prabhu, that during the last moments of your manifest pastimes here, you were speaking your translations of the Bhagavatam, and your voice was becoming so weak that the devotees holding the microphone, they had to hold it very, very close. And you expressed to them, after looking at the microphone and looking so closely at them, you said, "What an amazing microphone. It has to be inserted inside the mouth." So still always witty and alive. Just yesterday I heard a statement that you made, Srila Prabhupada, in regard to the interaction of Radha and Krishna and the cowherd boys. They were engaged in sports, playing, and I was fortunate enough to be able to play, I think it was hide and seek or tag. One time my spiritual master had just come from a country where it was minus 40, it was now here plus 40, so after a couple of days of promising to be everywhere with everyone, he said, "I can't, I'm just going to take rest." So I had to stand in for him, and I was playing tag with the kids. And it was such a wonderful experience seeing the kids, and they were all devotees, and I would call out, "Krishna, Krishna, I can see you, you're caught. Rama, where are you?" And just the exhilaration, the joy from being involved in that activity. So Srila Prabhupada, your comment was, the play is just incidental. It's a medium for expression of feelings. So those pastimes are there. We're here, we're able to become aware of and meditate upon all of Krishna's pastime places, the pastimes, to give us more substance to interact with you. So another detail of one of your pastimes, Srila Prabhupada, was during the last 6 weeks, as previous speaker, Ajita or Lalana Prabhu mentioned, that your desire, you expressed your desire, it'd be nice to go around Govardhan Hill on Parikram, and so the devotees made arrangements for a bullock cart, and then there was two parties of devotees. One party was saying it's Prabhupada's desire, we have to fulfill the desires of the spiritual master, and the other party of devotees were arguing against that we can't allow Prabhupada to go. He's so fragile, he's so frail, that any movement, the Kaviraj said, will cause him to leave. So one evening before the scheduled travel, Tamal Krishna Maharaj and Bhavananda Prabhu entered your room and begged you. Bhavananda Prabhu expressed that I've been in so much anxiety, so much distress, just contemplating, thinking about you travelling and leaving. So please, don't go. Prabhupada said, is that how you feel? Okay, I won't go. And he said, I can't put you into so much distress. But then throughout that whole experience, you also said that that's my duty. It's my duty to put you in these circumstances so you feel these feelings, forcing your disciples to express their what's going on inside. So thank you, Srila Prabhupada. Thank you for putting us through the ropes. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Shanti. Radha, I did see Radha outside. Radha, are you there?